Good morning and win today. I'm Royal Riney and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. If you've not subscribed to this channel yet, you're missing out. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I grabbed at Whole Foods, what kind of fruits, what kind of vegetables your girl eat, and I'll be doing an unboxing for you. Also, I have a special treat. I've attached Amanda Gorman's poem at the end of this video, so just stay tuned for all that goodness, all right? Here's everything that I bought. I bought a red onion. I bought broccoli, all organic. Everything here is organic. Lemon. I love to drink lemon in the morning, so I stock up on that. Grapefruit. I'm not really like a grapefruit fan, but you know, I know it like burns fat. So yeah, I'm just gonna try the grapefruit. And then I have a whole bunch of like organic carrots back there. So I'm gonna freeze those. And I have broccoli, apples, gala apples. These are the best. They're so yummy, guys. Like the best apples. I used to eat the red delicious ones, but after trying this, I realized that this is actually the best. So yeah, that's basically what I eat for my fruits and vegetables. So why am I holding the camera like that, guys? Guys, I actually also want to open this and see how it smells. Girl Davina, girl, I'm not gonna lie, you did a good job packaging this stuff, all right? Carrot. This actually smells really good. Like, it's not perfumey or anything like that, but just have a nice odor. I want to see what it feels like. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be washing the armpits with this. I'm gonna put both of these back on, and let me just open this one too. Girl Davina, girl, you package it well. I can't even open it. In English, she packaged it very tightly, and I can't even open it. Real talk, I can't open it. All right, let me get the scissors. Here's the beautiful lady. So when you guys go on Instagram, you won't be confused. You'll know who it is. Let me open it fast because my battery is dying. It smells like lotion, like cocoa butter or something. Excited, I'm so happy. So I guess like after you wash your face, then you can go ahead and rub this on as like your cream. All right, so let me close this back up.
harmony for all. Let the globe, if nothing else, say this is true. That even as we grieved, we grew, that even as we hurt, we hoped, that even as we tired, we tried, that we'll forever be tied together, victorious, not because we will never again know defeat, but because we will never again sow division. Scripture tells us to envision that everyone shall sit under their own vine and fig tree, and no one shall make them afraid. If we're to live up to our own time, then victory won't lie in the blade, but in all the bridges we've made. That is the promised glade, the hill we climb, if only we dare it, because being American is more than a pride we inherit. It's the past we step into and how we repair it. We've seen a force that would shatter our nation rather than share it, would destroy our country if it meant delaying democracy. And this effort very nearly succeeded. But while democracy can be periodically delayed, it can never be permanently defeated. In this truth, in this faith we trust, for while we have our eyes on the future, history has its eyes on us. This is the era of just redemption. We feared it at its inception. We did not feel prepared to be the heirs of such a terrifying hour, but within it we found the power to author a new chapter, to offer hope and laughter to ourselves. So, while once we asked, how could we possibly prevail over catastrophe? Now we assert, how could catastrophe possibly prevail over us? We will not march back to what was, but move to what shall be, a country that is bruised but whole, benevolent but bold, fierce and free. We will not be turned around or interrupted by intimidation, because we know our inaction and inertia will be the inheritance of the next generation. Our blunders become their burdens. But one thing is certain: if we merge mercy with might and might with right, then love becomes our legacy and change our children's birthright. So let us leave behind a country better than the one we were left. With every breath from my bronze-pounded chest, we will raise this wounded world into a wondrous one. We will rise from the gold-limbed hills of the West. We will rise from the wind-swept Northeast, where our forefathers first realized revolution. We will rise from the lake-rimmed cities of the Midwestern states. We will rise from the sun-baked South. We will rebuild, reconcile, and recover in every known nook of our nation, in every corner called our country. Our people, diverse and beautiful, will emerge battered and beautiful. When day comes, we step out of the shade, aflame and unafraid. The new dawn blooms as we free it. For there is always light, if only we're brave enough to see it, if only we're brave enough to be it.